My name is Devinder Bhant Singh Ranawat. I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan, living in center of the city called Residency Road. I used to work for a tourism industry, but now I'm retired. Well, in fact, I don't have many children in my house, but yes, my granddaughter is there, and she's only 5 years, so we hardly allow her to use it, and always somebody is accompanying her. Well, till far we are concerned, like me and my wife, we are the only two persons staying here. My daughter is married. She stays a bit away from here, but she's in Udaipur only. So we use it frequently, me and my wife. Well, there are many reasons to choose this lift. First of all, it was like I have an old house where you cannot stall the other lifts, and I didn't want to go for these elevators who have these machines on the top and they dig the hole downstairs. And this is since running on the single phase with the vacuum, and we had the space here, so it was easy for us to install it. Well, till far it's almost 13-14 months now. We didn't have any problem. See, I saw on social media the advertisement, and I went to Jaipur fortunately, and the company have an office there. I went there and met one of the executives. I saw the lift. They came and they recommended this place. Okay, this will be a nice, and so it's fine. I mean, every 6 months they come and they do the maintenance. So it's good, fair enough. I was very impressed and found it quite genuine and looking quite pretty. That I mean, looks nice, and I'm sure the company is improving day by day. Well, I have my cousins coming constantly, and they use this lift, and they all appreciate this. Well, we were thinking of going for elevator since we are growing old now. You must have noticed we have 40 steps to go upstairs, so we have seen few lifts, and I found this is quite suitable here, so I went for it. The other elevators I saw, they need more maintenance, so I thought this is much better for us. So I just ordered and got it. Well, mobility, till far mobility is concerned, I use it. My wife uses it many times. They're quite impressed with this machine, and while many of them said we will also see it, how it is come and how it like it. In fact, one of my cousins was constructing a house, so I told him, he took address. Whoever comes here, they get quite impressed. And then this is very fine machine, but I'll recommend.